video, we will see how to find a particular integral when the RHS is a function of sine. First, we find a complementary function. Let us convert this equation into d and d dash by substituting del by del x equal to d and del by del y equal to d dash. So print, it is very easy to write in terms of d and d dash. See the degree of order of this del x cube, del x, and write in the power of t minus 4. Look at this, d square, only one del y del dash plus t dash plus 4 del x. So we write d, and del y square, we write d dash square operating on z equal to 2 into sine of 3x plus 2y. This is an equation which is converted into d and d dash. Now we convert to find an complementary function, we need an auxiliary equation which will be obtained very easily by substitution of d equal to m and d dash equal to 1. M cube minus 4m square plus 4m equal to 0. We can take m common. M square minus 4m plus 4 equal to 0. M into m minus 2 square equal to 0. So roots are m equal to 0 and 2 times. Therefore, the complementary function is f1 of y plus 0x, y plus 0x, f2 plus f2 of y plus 2x plus f3 of y plus 2x, and due to repetition this is an x, y plus 2x. Let us find the complementary function. Particular integral equal to 1 divided by d cube minus 4d square d dash plus 4d into d dash square 2 into sine of 3x plus 2y. Now again we take 2 divided by d common, therefore this is equal to d square minus 4d into d dash plus 4d dash square. Operate it on sine of 3x plus 2y. D square equal to minus a square, so minus 3 square equal to minus 9. D into d dash equal to minus ab, 3 into 2 equal to minus 6. D dash square equal to minus b square, 2 square equal to minus 4. Substitute these values, so we get particular integral equal to 2 divided by d into 1 divided by minus 9 minus 4 into minus 6 plus 4 into minus 4 sine of 3x plus 2y. This will be minus minus plus 36 plus 36 and minus 16 minus 9, that will, you can see that this 9 minus 9 and minus 16, this will be minus 25 and this is plus 24, so we get minus 1, and hence particular integral 2 divided by minus d sine of 3x plus 2y. 1 by d means integration, d is a del by del x, and therefore we have to integrate with respect to x. Integration of sine is minus cos of 3x plus 2y divided by 3. This minus and this minus will be plus 2 divided by 3 cos of 3x plus 2y. Hence, the complete solution equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Consider one more example of trigonometric function where right side is cos of 2x plus y. Let us find the complementary function. Auxiliary equation is m square plus m minus 6 d dash equal to 1. This is equal to 0. Factor of these are m plus 3 and m minus 2 equal to 0. M equal to 2 comma minus 3. Hence, complementary function equal to f1 of y plus 2x plus f2 of y minus 3x. Now, particular integral equal to 1 divided by d square plus d into d dash minus 6 d dash square cos of 2x plus y. Now we have to substitute d square equal to minus a square. Minus a square equal to minus 2 square, that is minus 4. D into d dash equal to minus ab equal to minus 2 into 1 equal to minus 2, and d dash square equal to minus b square minus 1 square equal to minus 1. Particular integral equal to 1 divided by, what is d square? Minus 4. D into d dash minus 2 minus 6 into minus 1 cos of 2x plus y. 6 into 1, this will be plus 6 and minus 6. This is equal to 0. So it is case of failure. Okay. So to find the particular integral, differentiate this with respect to d. In such cases, we have to differentiate with respect to d or d dash. Here we differentiate this with respect to d by to denominator and multiply by x. Okay, so when we differentiate with respect to d dash, we have to multiply by y. So x into 1 divided by derivative of d square is 2d plus d derivative of d is d, so d dash is a constant and d dash is constant, so it's 6 into d dash square is 0. Hence we have cos of 2x plus y. Now friend, you can see that we have d and d dash. We require d square, d dash square, d into d dash. Therefore we multiply and divide by d. 2d square plus d into d dash cos of 2x plus y equal to x into 1 d divided by 2 into d square. What is d square? D square is minus 2. D into d square minus 4, d into d dash minus 2 cos of 2x plus y minus 8 minus 2 minus 10 minus x divided by 10 into derivative of cos is minus sine of 2x plus y into 2 minus minus plus x into sine of 2x plus y divided by 5. This is particular integral. Hence complete solution again equal to complementary function plus particular integral.
Hello guys, thank you for watching video.